So you guys have seen that I like to do a lot of stuff with binaural sound demos, but one of the problems is that I don't know which headphones people are using, and so that can greatly affect the sound that you're hearing on your end. And so I've been searching for headphones that are not too expensive, that have a good target response. I think a lot of people agree that the Harman Target is a good headphone response for most people. Maybe something that we can use as kind of like a go-to for headphones, something I can recommend to you guys. And so I just got these in. These are the Akg K37 Ones, and I just got these for $109 on Amazon. So I'll leave a link for these if you're interested. One of the things that caught my eye with these headphones is they claim a frequency response of 5 Hertz to 40 kilohertz. So you shouldn't have any issue hearing some of the bass frequencies. We're usually testing from 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz. So yeah, if you're getting some of these, you won't have any issue with that. All right, I think these are gonna work.